It's fizzing!
Thunderstorm warning for northeastern County in central Utah, east central Juab County in central Utah, south central Utah County in northern Utah until 9:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 8:40 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 11 miles southeast of Rocky Ridge, Oregon, 11 miles northeast of Nephi, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source,
Why,
radar
EAS
indicated.
kids?
Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Bird's Eye and Indianola. This includes the following highways: Interstate 15 between mile markers 237 and 238. Plus Route 6 between mile markers 189 and 191. Plus Route 89 between mile markers 290 and 310. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following county: Utah.
A recent job training and job placement to former inmates. Well, why do you come back to the fire?
I came back to change the perspective of what people.
It's my skin with itch. Bought yourself a genuine.
Place at Giant Carpet 1 flooring home.
So, Wendy, why are we back?
Well, our Best of Utah promo was such a hit, we literally filled up all consultation spots in less than a week.
So what you're saying is not everyone got a chance to qualify.
That's exactly what I'm saying.
Well, all right, so to rectify this, because we won Best of all of Utah, we will extend 50% off the site until July 31st.
Yep, but that's it.
Great. Well, before spots fill up again, go to bellmedical.com and book your free consultation today.
Vision loss is not.
Dangerous. I need a hug right now. I don't know where to go.
3 million Americans have glaucoma.
I'm for a hug right now. I'm just wanting a hug right now. Right now. The hug.
Please.
Red flashing lights going on. There's so many flashing lights. I don't know why they like that. That G-Storm never went off because it went off earlier. And then the mainland went off.
Not today.
I mean, never heard that thing in a while. Like, never G-Storm going off in a while.
How you doing, sweetheart?
I'm doing real good, Mama. Real good.
It never went off. Like, I heard it finally started again when it was actually. I think the
Oh, you've never seen stats like this before, Chuck. The new Monster has juicy steak.
For all the freshness and soft.
No audio. Anyone for weed tickets. So when the next allowance, we'll buy a new weed ticket. I think we'll buy a new weed ticket that will work right in. Stop flashing. Stop flashing. I had enough of these radios. Oh no. Yay! They were just faking a double entire time. I know they didn't announce a thunderstorm?
Central Utah, South Central Utah County in northern Utah until 9:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time.
To NBC's password, Kiki Palmer facing off.
Tube. Snorkel?
Stand up from Simon Taylor, and gas prices are dropping.
But thanks to the heat, Gatorade is now $7 a gallon.
Tonight,
Super Bowl. What's your pick?
Hi! I just stopped by to see if I was...
August 9th on NBC.
You can tighten them a little in the back. So what of me is showing, just like Kira?
Sorry, what was the question?
So we're going to start now. Each one say, my name is...
Slim Shady!
Charging back up.
The National Weather Service in Salt Lake City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeast.
I'm closing the door so I can...
This includes the following highways.
I had a small...